one side in alabaster, the opposing side in soapstone. What do you think?
I think it'll take years.
Years I got. What I don't have in the rocks. Pickings are pretty slim in the yard. Pebbles, mostly.
And we can...
Yeah, I guess.
Ask him.
Full of milk.
Why'd you do it?
I'm innocent, right? Just like everybody else here. What are you in it for?
What are you feeling?
Thank you.
Innocent.
Only guilty man in Shawshank.
That's the joke.
Wait. Here she comes. This is what I really like when she does that shit with her hair.
Oh yeah, I know. I've seen it 3 times this month.
Gilda, are you decent?